Good morning, all. Today we are going to discuss about development indices. The countries were classified into developed and developing nations. This classification done by using some indices. They are per capita income, physical quality of life index, human development index, and human happiness index. Let's discuss about per capita income. Per capita income was considered as the simplest and popularly used in the past. Per capita income is calculated by dividing the national income by population. In this index, two aspects were considered. They are growth rate of economic growth or national income, population growth rate. Per capita income increases only when the growth rate of national income is more than the population growth rate. Increase in per capita income is an index of development. Per capita income helps to accessing the economic growth of a country is compared to a previous year. Per capita income has some limitations. They are per capita income is an average income. For example, let's assume that the per capita income of a country is 40,000. This does not mean that each individual of the country receives an income of 40,000. It includes the population earning crores of rupees as well as those with very low income. So, this is a merely a numerical calculation. While calculating economic development on the basis of per capita income, it cannot be claimed that improvement in the quality of living has been attained if rich or poor disparity persists. Per capita income as a development index ignores factors like education, healthcare facilities, and improve the quality of living concerned only with the economic growth. Per capita income as a development index does not take into account social welfare and equitable distribution of income. Next, we go to physical quality of life index. Physical quality of life index came into use in 1979 when an index more scientific than the per capita income was found necessary. Instead of using per capita income as a single criterion for development, the physical quality of life index takes into consideration the following three factors: one, life expectancy, infant mortality rate, basic literacy. Here, per capita income considered the growth rate of national income and population growth rate. In physical quality of life index, here they give importance to basic literacy, infant mortality rate, and life expectancy. Physical quality of life index views development in different perspective. For example, increase in healthcare facilities lead to a better standard of living and economic development. Introduction of new educational facilities improves quality of education and standard of living. Though the physical quality of life index is a better measure of economic development than the per capita income. The fact that it ignores per capita income as a major limitation. Next, we go through Human Development Index. The Human Development Index is based on human development. United Nations Development Program define human development is the expansion process of opportunities that develop the people to improve their human resource. There are some factors included in this: improved educational facilities, better health care facilities, increased training. All the above mentioned the factors contribute to human development. The attainment of human development helps in economic development. Better educational facilities leads to increase in the number of people receiving education. It leads to increase in employment opportunities to educated people, and also it leads to increase in income and purchasing power. It leads to better standard of living. Human Development Index is prepared on the basis of three main components: per capita income, literacy and gross school enrollment rate, life expectancy. The value of Human Development Index lies between 0 and 1, while 0 indicates least development and 1 depicts highest level of development. Here, observe the table. Human Development Index value and category: 0.8 to 1.0 is high human development, 0.7 to 0.799 high human development, 0.550 to 0.699 medium human development, 0 to 550 and below low human development. It is the United Nations Development Programme that prepares and publishes the Human Development Index by classifying the countries on the basis of these values. Every year since 1990, the United Nations Development Programme publishes Human Development Report. Human Property Index was developed by the United Nations Organization, that means UNO, complementary to the Human Development Index. Its first report was published in 1997. Human Property Index is calculated on the basis of three components. They are longevity, knowledge and decent standard of living. Okay. Thank you. Have a great day. Is there any clarification needed? Please contact me.